Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the content management functions. Let's get started.
Content Management System (CMS) functions are designed to manage, update, and publish content efficiently within the Naologic platform. These functions streamline content workflows by enabling users to access and modify content data, update publishing schedules, and push updates to Edge. To add any of these functions to your action, first locate the action you want configured, press Edit, click Add Function, and then click on the header of the new function that was added. Search for CMS, and you'll see 4 options. The Get Content Data function retrieves the raw content data from the CMS. This is useful for accessing and manipulating content. The Get Content Information function provides metadata and details about a specific piece of content, such as its size, title, author, and publishing status. The Push to Edge function ensures that updated content is propagated to Edge servers for faster delivery to users. The Update Publish Date function modifies the published date of a specific piece of content. That's the end of our quick tutorial on content management system functions. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.